Hi guys, it is me, and welcome to my channel, and this is my first video. Hopefully you like it, and I will be playing Booga Booga. This will be about a 15-minute long video, and I am playing with my little brother. Hello. Okay. So, we are playing Roblox Booga Booga. I'm going with no tribes. I'm on my own. So, I'm on the blue tribe. Everything is going as according to plan. I see a tribe in here. No. A, get over here. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. I am going to kill you. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Wimp. Well, as you can tell, I am starving and I need help. I do have Magnite. A. What? Get over here. Got ya. Let's go. Wait. Wait just a freaking second. What? Did you just kill my guy? Oh, that's weird. Oh, no, wait. I'm reconnecting. Sorry, guys. I'm not Victory! Oh gosh! What? Run! God player! I guess I'm going to end this video here for today. This is the welcome to my channel video, and goodbye.